Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Google search going to Yahoo. If your Google searches keep redirecting to Yahoo, it's usually caused by a browser setting change or unwanted software. This often happens after installing extensions or free programs. You can fix it by resetting your browser or removing anything suspicious. First method, change default search engine. Open your Google Chrome, then click the three lines in the top right. Open your browser settings, go to search engine settings, go to manage search, select Google as default by clicking the three dots, and click make default. Remove Yahoo from the list if possible by clicking the three dots, then click delete and confirm it. Restart your browser and test search. Second method, remove suspicious extensions. Open your browser's extensions add-ons page. Look for unknown or recently added extensions. Click remove or disable it on suspicious ones. Restart your browser and try searching again to confirm fix. Last method, reset browser settings. Open the browser settings, find reset settings, or restore defaults. Confirm reset action, then clear browsing data, cache and cookies, and click delete data. Restart browser and test Google search again. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.